Strap in, motherfucker, we're about to do some cool shit. Yeah, this place right here, 180 Designs. Our boy Randy Schroeder recommended, oh, look at that place. Yeah, this isn't something that we wanted to do because we do things amateur hour. We want this done right. Yeah. So we're coming over here. I'm freaking stoked, man. I'm almost like, I think this might be one of the most exciting things ever that I've done with these cars. It's gonna really change it, man.
Yeah.
Aren't you pumped up?
Yeah, I'm pumped.
Yeah, are you?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's freaking do it. What's up, man?
How you guys doing?
Doing good, man. 180 Designs, right?
Absolutely.
Who are you?
I am Jason Teagard, the owner of 180 Designs. We're here today. We're gonna clean and prep and wrap a couple of these Mavericks and give them a whole new look.
Frick, yeah, man. How long you guys been doing this?
Been in business for 9 years now. 11 years, sorry, my bad, 11 years now.
What do you guys typically work on out of this area here? So
Pretty
you guys...
much everything. We're a full-on, full-color advertising shop. We do trailer wraps, boat wraps, any kind of commercial wrap you can think of. Obviously, you know, private toys, full-color banners, wide format printing of all sorts. We've got two 64-inch wide format printers, a 54-inch wide format printer, and yeah, basically the sky's the limit. We've got a couple of great installers, a couple of great designers.
So you guys are like a one-stop shop, design, apply,
Yep.
the whole deal.
All the above. Yep, we can do everything from start to finish.
Right here, we're located out of Michigan.
Small town, Carson City. Yep, Carson City, Michigan, and trying to do big things in a little city for the most part.
Well, 11 years, must be doing something right.
Yeah, we service the entire United States. We print and ship a lot of things. We got a great network of subcontracted installers all the way across the United States. So if we have a customer contact us, basically in any state, we can do the design, we can do the print, and then we will contact one of our certified installers. That can, you know, you can go to a local shop in Florida and get your vehicle essentially installed by one of our guys.
Dude, that's freaking sweet.
Yep.
Well, definitely want to say thanks for letting us put cameras in your face all day.
Yeah,
I'm sure it's not something you guys are typically used to.
No, it's a little different, but it's something we look forward to doing for sure.
Well, we're glad that you let us bring you along.
Absolutely.
We'll get out of your hair.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still can't count wins when they got it. On record, off record, I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record.
You're gonna see us coming now.
Yeah, heck yeah. What are your thoughts on it, on your wrap? Let me see the camera. Okay, what do you think?
This is amazing. It looks so good. Wolf Designs definitely killed it. 180 Designs definitely killed it putting it on. I can't believe it.
Yeah, it doesn't.
The time lapse is gonna cut out all of his profane language, but no, it went on pretty good.
It definitely does not look like the same car. That's for sure.
You will see me coming now. Now you'll know who that douchebag is driving.
Should have got that put on the side of the car. Douchebag.
Douchebag?
Yeah.
Well, we are in a place that prints stickers, so.
Right. Awesome. No, it looks great.
Can't wait till we get yours done now. I'm really curious to see how the yellow is going to look.
Well, we'll find out in a little bit.
Price for y'all, snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate, I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the. On record, off record, I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record, I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable.
Huh?
The fender flare's already on there. Oh, you gotta do it with the other side.
What do we gotta do?
Okay, we're gonna take a toll. Tally.
A pole.
Toll. Does it look better without the fender flares or with? So we'll have to shoot the other side. I already have the rear fender flare on there. Front one's not on there yet. You guys let me know which looks better.
So obviously the premise is the fender flares, yay or nay?
Yes.
Because I kind of...
Post your comments down below.
Yes. Let us know if you like these fender flares.
We're gonna have to shoot the other side.
Yeah.
When it's done.
We will, but I'm just saying. Because we have this conversation quite a bit on whether or not these fender flares are aesthetically pleasing. We've yet to pose the question to the viewers. The question has now been posed. Fender flares.
Fender flares.
Yay or nay?
Yay.
Hot seat. Fender flares. Yay or nay?
I would say no. I would say no fender flares.
Oh.
It's only one person.
I think you may have kicked a bee's nest with a question like that.
That's all right. I don't hate them. I've been stung before. Bring it.
They don't look bad. I just think they look better without it. I mean, you can see on my car how the full throttle off-road goes all the way up to the front fender. We did specifically have this wrap on Keith's car done differently, so the full throttle off-road is smaller, so it wouldn't clip by his fender flares. So we did our best to try to make it look as best as possible, but...
That looks great. It looks good. Yeah, baby. I like it. I like it. I think it looks badass.
The wrap looks badass.
The whole package.
Yeah?
Package. Yeah. It's a sexy beast.
On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way.
Well, here we are, guys. We freaking finished it. Thank you, man.
Absolutely.
You did a hell of a freaking job.
Appreciate you guys bringing them our way, for sure.
Yeah, man. So big thanks to Wolf Designs. They did the work in laying out the design for us. And then 180 Designs, literally, man, all by yourself today.
Yeah, it was kind of a rough morning, but as a one-man show, we made it happen. You know, we kind of had a couple employees end up with the bug and was sick, and so our staff went from 5 to 2 today. So it kind of made the install a little bit longer, but we stayed and got her done, got it handled, and I think that both of them turned out great. The installation went, I mean, real smooth. We liked the material that Wolf Designs.
Yep.
We liked the material that they used. I mean, everything went great. It really put a whole new face on both these machines, and
Right on.
I think they're definitely going to be an eye catcher. And
yeah. Well, definitely want to thank you for sticking through it. I know it was a long day. You were a champ about it.
nope, not a problem.
Appreciate that. You have a website or anything?
Yeah, absolutely. And if
about?
there's anything else you guys need, we obviously do, you know, wide format printing. We do full wraps on buggies that we will design and print and install everything right in-house. 180designs.com, you know, at 180 Designs on Facebook, Instagram, you know, follow us, like our page. We post daily on, you know, whether it's a buggy or a boat. I mean, we wrap everything. So, you know, stay tuned and follow us, and 2019 is going to be a good year. We got a lot of things coming up, and definitely have a lot of wraps that are going to turn some heads, and should be a good year for sure.
Well, I'll let you get home to your family, man. Thank you again.
Absolutely.
Definitely appreciate it.
Thank you guys.
And thank you guys for coming along. Bye. Bye. Here, say bye to the people.
Bye.
We did it, Dozer.
Yeah.
We actually wrapped them.
Yeah.
Oh, they look so sick. I'm trying to keep my composure in there so I don't look like too much of a fanboy in front of everybody else, but we're out here now, dude.
Wow.
It's sweet.
Yeah, I think they turned out really, really good. 180 Designs did an excellent job. Really good to work with. Really great guys.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this has been a good experience.
So Wolf Designs did a great job putting these things together. You know, I really think that they did a good job in terms of the layout and the logo placement and stuff. And yeah, Jason from 180 Designs, he was all by himself today, man, and he stayed all day.
All day.
It was a 12-hour day, and he wrapped both of these things by himself. So seriously, huge shout out to him. Yeah, let us know what you guys think.
I know what we think. We frickin' love them.
Frickin' love them. Are you kidding me? Oh, I just want to go rip it right now. Ha ha! Jump in, motherfucker. We're about to do some cool shit.
Open the door, and I will. Alcohol. 70%, 90% alcohol. Straight up.
Sounds like you could probably use that for multiple purposes.
Yes.
That thing's reflective.
Hey, tell your wife thank you for letting put her ass on YouTube.